1993 Nautique Excel, sitting with Barefoot Nautique Graphics. This is an open bow Excel in a blue main stripe, silver cloud hull and deck, and then we have a charcoal pinstripe on here, which looks great. Blue insert on the rub rail, really pretty boat in excellent condition. If you follow us, you maybe recall seeing this boat on our channel a little over a year ago. The previous owner traded it in on something newer. So this is a great starter boat for them, and we have now ended up with it back at our shop. So excited about that. It's sitting on a single axle, don't quote me on this, I believe it's a Ramblin trailer. Black wheels, original frame, but it has been painted. You can see some imperfections that that paint is covering. It does have plastic or PVC steps around, which is nice. It won't rot. Teak platform, 4-blade prop underneath. We walk around the outside, it's all new graphics as of last time we had it for sale. So everything looks really good. Not much has changed on the boat in terms of exterior. All looks really good. The blue looks amazing. Basically all we did when the boat showed up was just do a quick detail on it, and you're kind of seeing what it looks like now, and hasn't changed. So up top on the deck here, you are going to have a few stress cracks. Old boat, not particularly abnormal to see this. This is purely cosmetic in the gel coat, nothing structural, just from the boat flexing. I mean, the gel coat back then wasn't quite built to the thickness that they do now. So, 1,200 plus hours of action on the water. Get a little flex in the boat, and that's what you get. Bow eye up front. Again, open bow. We'll take a closer look at the interior when we hop inside. We do have some sea deck or marine mat around the gunnels, which is great. Crash pad on the trailer with a turnbuckle and secondary safety strap to kind of hold the boat tight up into the actual crash pad, which is great. Similar right here. Stress crack on this side of the bow. Rub rail is going to have a few scuffs and mars, but nothing crazy. Hull bottom looks amazing. Take a peek under there real fast. Little water line, but no damage, no chips. Graphic looks brand new on both sides. There's really not much to point out on the outside. So let's go ahead and hop in. This is a newer interior. It's not original. Go wide angle here. Sun pad is in awesome shape. Again, you have this marine mat around the gunnels, which is great for stepping on and off at the dock or just getting to the back of the boat without stepping on the sun pad if you're concerned about the longevity of your vinyl. One of the bigger things we did upon taking this boat back is put all new carpet on the floor. So we got a nice new charcoal plush carpet that looks amazing. This is from, it's early 2000s era carpet or style carpet that you'd see in like a 210 or any of the boats from the era. So looks good, feels good on your feet, and it's new. Again, not an original interior, but it is in excellent condition, and they did a good job. I mean, oftentimes aftermarket interiors aren't going to have these correct craft logos or embroidery, and it does have that. They're a little off. That's how we know. The letters are a little thicker probably than what you'd see on an original interior, but looks good. You have the blue stripe with the charcoal lower stripe on it. The back seat's in great condition. You know, you look here, you're gonna see these stitch lines all look pretty good. Little nick here down in the corner. A couple up top on the corners as well, but nothing particularly offensive. It does have a power engine hatch, so let me flip that up real quick, show you that works. Have that sweet old school Correct Craft logo underneath. Also a ski pylon, I didn't talk about that, but there's your PCM 351. It's fully serviced, fresh and ready to go. Doesn't need anything. The boat is running incredibly well. It fires right up. We tuned it up, I think, this last time we sold it, which was just a little over a year ago, like I said. Doesn't need any of that, but has fresh fluids, filters, and an impeller. Has a black cover with it, and the dual battery setup too, which is sweet. Put that back down. Our love seat here is in good shape. You do have a small cut right there towards the back. And if we flip this open, storage up into the front. So we have some life jackets and whatnot there. We rewrapped the storage compartment here under the floor as well. And the cooler. So that all looks nice. Across the dash, glove box. Step with the open windshield in the center. The dash is black gel coat, and it is faded. See this on a lot of the older boats. The bow looks amazing. Probably hasn't gotten a lot of use. So the seats look pretty much brand new up front. And we come over to the dash. We have a free gauge kit installed on here. So all the original stuff is gone outside of the hour meter, which is showing 1,277 hours. Our depth finder, which is gonna be flashing 0 on the trailer right now. But you have a GPS speedometer, and replacing the secondary speedo that this would have originally had is a newer Clarion head unit. It has Bluetooth, and you have 4 Clarion stereo speakers inside the boat. SIPA mirror up top as well. And we'll take a peek at the driver's seat to cap it off here. See some staples in the corners. And down here you have a couple little stains on the side, but overall really nice. Oh, I didn't even mention this, but it does have a early 2000s vintage or mid 2000s vintage Nautique steering wheel, which looks pretty cool. I think it goes with the boat well. So that's pretty much it on this Excel. It's now available at the shop. If you want to come check it out, hit us up. This thing runs super, super strong, and it's going to make a great boat for somebody. So hit us up at N3 Boatworks. Phone number is 317-845-9253. Thanks for watching.